Essential oils contain the essence, or heart, of plants, which is why they are among the most potent natural treatments available. Their impact on one's health and well-being is enormous. Distillation or mechanical processes, such as cold pressing, are used to produce essential oils. We'll go through the most potent essential oils, their health benefits, and how to utilize them properly into your body, to maximize each oil benefits. The majority of essential oils on the market are for aromatherapy, aroma oils, but there are also essential oils for internal use that are manufactured for their healing powers. Essential oils can also be used topically in a carrier oil, or utilized in aromatherapy. However, the aromatherapy essential oils, aroma oils, are not the same as the healing essential oils, so don't get them mixed up. Essential oils are liquid extracts of plants that have the potential to be beneficial. Essential oils are becoming more extensively used for a number of common ailments, and some research suggests that they may help ease symptoms in some circumstances. When used correctly, essential oils are generally considered safe. Essential oils should always be diluted before application to the skin, and they should never be consumed immediately. You should consult your doctor first before taking any action. Don't be confused with the term aroma oil. Aroma oil is just an essential oil that has been mixed with other natural ingredients like carrier oils and other essential oils, to make a wonderfully scented oil that can be diffused. They mixed it because essential oils are generally very powerful and intense, and their odor can be overwhelming, and uncomfortable for those with sensitive skin. Let's move on to the most potent essential oils and their incredible healing properties. Peppermint oil. One of the most potent essential oils for digestive disorders is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is extracted from fresh leaves of the peppermint plant, and has a wide range of applications. It is commonly used as an ingredient in skincare and beauty products. Peppermint oil can be applied topically, or diffused for inhalation. The entire plant includes menthol, an organic molecule with local sedating effects, that produces a pleasant cooling sensation while also reducing discomfort. Here are some benefits of using peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil relieves muscle tension, and relaxes the muscles, which can help to alleviate the symptoms of headaches and migraines. The essential oil is believed to help relieve tension and anxiety by promoting profound relaxation in the body and mind. As you stroll around your house, peppermint essential oil can boost blood flow and enhance circulation. It helps people with insomnia to sleep better. The oil contains menthol, which aids in clear, deep breathing. Peppermint essential oil helps to reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation of the skin. While essential oils have a wide range of medicinal properties, keep in mind that they are very concentrated, and should be used with caution. When it comes to peppermint oil, one of the most important things to remember is that less is more. Start with 1 to 2 drops properly diluted peppermint oil in a carrier oil or water, and add more as needed. You should not drink peppermint essential oil because it is only for external application. It is not suggested for use on infants, because inhaling the menthol in the oil may cause undesirable side effects. Peppermint oil is, without a doubt, one of the most potent essential oils, with a wide range of uses. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of Australia's most valuable resources. Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia, a small tree native to Queensland and New South Wales, Australia. Tea tree is currently grown in plantations all over the world, in response to the growing demand for natural tea tree goods. In Australia, the oil has been utilized as a therapeutic therapy for more than a century, especially for skin ailments. It's now utilized to treat a wide range of ailments. The antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal effects properties of tea tree oil are probably the most well-known characteristics of this essential oil. Tea tree essential oil provides a hydrating effect that helps to relieve itching and inflammation while also soothing dry skin. It is also very effective in removing dandruff, or a dry scalp. Apply a few drops to a carrier oil such as olive or coconut, and massage into your scalp if you have dandruff or a dry scalp. You can also use the mixture as a natural moisturizer, on any dry area on your face or body. Because of its antimicrobial characteristics, tea tree oil is an effective solution for skin tags. By applying 2 to 3 drops of properly diluted essential oil to the skin, the essential oil will dissolve the skin tags swiftly. The oil also works as natural hand sanitizers. Many studies have claimed that tea tree oil can act as natural sanitizers. They can kill and eliminate various viruses and bacteria, such as H. influenza, E. coli, etc. Oil can be used to fight germs in the mouth as well as to avoid bad breath. It cleans the insides of the mouth, and aids in the removal of microorganisms that cause tooth decay. Tea tree oil is not safe to take by mouth. Even in tiny doses, tea tree oil should not be consumed internally. It can weaken immunological function, cause diarrhea, and lead to central nervous system depression, which can be fatal. Thyme oil. Thyme is a mint family herb that you're probably familiar with from your spice cabinet. It has approximately 400 subspecies, and a wide range of applications. It was utilized as incense by the ancient Egyptians, and preservation by the ancient Greeks. Thyme was used also as an antiseptic, to disinfect troops' wounds, and clean the air in hospitals during World War I. Thyme essential oil's antibacterial and expectorant characteristics make it a best treatment for a variety of respiratory ailments. It relieves chest congestion, and helps eliminate mucus and phlegm deposits from the nasal canal. To gain immediate relief from cough and congestion, gargle with warm water, infused with thyme essential oil. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is an essential oil extracted from the lavender flower. Lavender is native to the Mediterranean, yet it is currently grown all over the world. Its potent medicinal powers have been used in aromatherapy for thousands of years, to treat a wide range of diseases, including sleeplessness, headaches, and discomfort, as well as improving skin and hair health. Lavender is also known for being one of the most effective natural medicines for improving mental health and mood. Lavender oil is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory that aids in the healing of minor burns, cuts, scrapes, and wounds. It is also good for sunburn treatment because of its calming ingredients. Lavender has a relaxing, calming influence on mood, tension, anxiety, and depression, according to numerous studies. In one study, lavender oil was found to be just as effective as a prescription medicine at lowering anxiety. Another study found that lavender reduces stress, insomnia, and sadness. It's also been demonstrated to aid with symptoms of postpartum depression and PTSD. Lavender has even been shown to help with mental well-being and relaxing your mood. Cinnamon oil. Cinnamon was a very valuable spice in olden times, and it was even thought to be equivalent to gold. Cinnamon oil is a popular choice for at-home aromatherapy treatments, because of its many potentials. Cinnamon's oil is well known for the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-diabetic effects. The oil is also good for reducing depression, anxiety, help people relax, manage stress, and improve their mood, and have a better sleep. Although the use of cinnamon oil in aromatherapy hasn't been well researched, many people appreciate the scent of cinnamon, and find it relaxing. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus is a tree that is native to Australia. The tree's leaves are used to make eucalyptus oil. Essential oil of eucalyptus contains potent analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities, ideal for treating a variety of ailments and conditions, including nasal congestion, asthma, and respiratory disorders, characterized by excessive mucus. Eucalyptus oil in a diluted form can also be used to the skin to treat ailments like arthritis, muscle pain, nerve inflammation, and skin ulcers. Eucalyptus oil has been used to ease coughing for many years. This oil is now one of the active constituents in various over-the-counter cough medicines. For example, Vicks VapoRub includes 1.2% eucalyptus oil, as well as other cough suppressant chemicals. Eucalyptus essential oil is also proving itself as a strong respiratory support, with anti-inflammatory effects and benefits for breathing. The oil relieves discomfort by acting as an expectorant, and it also helps the body remove toxins and irritants, that make things worse. Some essential oils, according to experts, can be dangerous, but those that are commercially accessible from reliable sources are safe to use, if handled properly. It's critical, according to the experts, to utilize pure, original, and genuine essential oils. The FDA does not monitor or control the purity or quality of essential oils, despite the fact that evidence suggests they have health advantages. Before you start using essential oils, speak with a healthcare expert, and make sure to study the quality of a brand's products. Before using a new essential oil, always perform a patch test. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.